This is a 2020 Chevy Silverado Z71 diesel. I'm going to show you guys the undercarriage and everything, how the exhaust setup on it is. And we're going to put them a brand new tip on it. We'll let you guys see it in a second. It's a beautiful truck. 2020 Silverado diesel. It's a Duramax Allison transmission. 2500 HD. Beautiful truck. We'll let you guys hear it today. We'll let you look at the undercarriage in a minute. So again, 2020 Z71 Silverado, 2500 Cummins. This is what they come from the factory. It's got a 4-inch all the way back into a particulate filter right there. Let me see if we can back that out a little bit. Yeah. Right there. Then another particulate filter right there. Or a giant muffler. No, it's a particulate filter. Then 4-inch system all the way back. And what we did on it is put a 8-inch tip on it. Right there. Makes it look a lot nicer, a lot cleaner. Just fits the truck perfectly. That's how they come. 2020 Chevy Silverado 2500 diesel. As you can tell, it's very, very quiet. Give it gas. Can't even tell it's a diesel. It's so quiet. Wow. Go ahead and back it up. It's the LTZ, fully loaded to the max. If you do it, you got to do it right or don't do it at all. That's the name of the game. Z71, 2500. That's what it looks like on the inside. This is what a Silverado is supposed to look like. It's a spaceship. Really roomy too.
Yeah, I had some stuff here. I put those molding on there. Got a pit stuff, so that's a good
It's beautiful. It flies too.